The morning cold and raining, dark before the dawn could come. How long in twilight waiting, longing for the rising sun. You came like crashing thunder, breaking through these walls of stone. You came with wide-eyed wonder into all this great unknown. Hush now, don't you be afraid. I promise you I'll always stay. I'll never be that far away. I'm right here with you. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You came rising right into my heart. You're so amazing. You You came from heaven, shining breath of God still fresh in you. The beating heart inside me crumbled at this one so new. No matter where, how far you wander, for 1,000 years or longer, I will always be there for you, right here with you. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You came rising right into my heart. You're so amazing. You are. I hope your tears are few and fast. I hope your dreams come true at last. I hope you find love that goes on and on and on and on and on. I hope you wish on every star. I hope you never fall too far. I hope this world can see how wonderful you are. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You came rising right into my heart. You're so
Hi, happy birthday to you. First, I want to thank you for your friendship, and I wish and hope that all your wishes will come true and stay healthy, pretty, and gorgeous. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Steve. Just want to greet you. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health, more papa, more lessons to come. Stay safe and stay safe. This is always here for you, no matter what. I love you, sis. Love you, love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Chi. Happy birthday. I love you. Hindi ko man masabi sa'yo lagi na mahal kita. Alam ko naman na alam mo sa puso't isipan mo. Ramdam mo yon kung gaano kita ka-love bilang kaibigan ko. Malayo man ako sa'yo. Hindi yun magiging hadlang para matulungan kita pag may problema ka. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, pagkasad ka, tingin ka lang sa langit. Pag may nakita kang pinakamaningning na star, ako na yon, nakabantay lagi sa'yo. Text mo lang lagi si Taylor Gadchurva mo. Reply ako agad para sa'yo. Yun. Love you. Be strong. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, ha? Kain ka lagi. Miss na kita. Hope to see you soon. I love you, Chi. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you, I love you, I love you, Chi. Ayan, kanta ng kanta ko sa'yo. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. Love you, friend. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Chi. I wish you all the happiness in life, good health, and alam ko naman sa love life, naku, saganang-sagana ka dyan. Siyempre, lagi kang busog sa BJ. Chos, joke lang. Anyway, sana huwag kang magbabago. Sa laging mong tatandaan, andito lang yung PSCV family mo, Confu girls and Gapang girls. We love you so much. I miss you. Take care. Again, happy birthday. Mwah.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Ate Chi. Wish you all the best. Alam mo naman, love na love ka namin. And dito lang kami, if you need us, basta text na lang. Kung may problema ka, dito lang naman kami, handang makinig sa lahat ng sasabihin mo. Alam ko namang may solusyon ng bawat pinagdadaanan ng tao, diba? Iyan, i-BJ mo lang yan, sabi nga ni Ate Jill, diba? BJ. Kaya, basta, yun na yun. Love na love kita. Happy birthday. And sana, wish you all the happiness in life. Wala ka naman atang mahiling pa kasi protekto ka naman. Nasa iyo na lahat. Inubos mo na lahat ng alindog sa mundo. Pwede mo naman, mamigay ka naman sa amin dalawa ni Ate Megway. Joke lang yun. Sige. Basta, happy ako na nakilala kita. And, kinakabahan ako, my God. Basta, dito lang ako for you. And, hope with this, napasaya ka namin. And sana, hindi mo kami makalimutan. Tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, papipilitan ko yung sarili ko, hindi ako lalabas sa puso mo at iingatan ko yung puso mo. I love you, Ate Chi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi, BFF. Happy birthday sa'yo. This is your special day. Sana lahat ng wishes mo magkatotoo. Masyado ba ako seryoso? Ano pa? Alam ko, masaya ka ngayon. Good luck in all your decisions in life. Andito lang ako para sa'yo. If you need anything, advice, pera lang pera, kasi naghihirap ako. Ano pa? Basta nandito lang ako. I'm just a text away. Magkikita tayo hopefully next year. Bonggang-bonggang celebration ang gagawin natin. BJ forever, every second, every minute. Basta enjoy natin yon. Pag na-post ko na sa Facebook kung kailan namin mabibili yung plane ticket pa uwi sa Pinas, ayun, magkakasama na tayo. Happy birthday again, BFF! I hope you're happy today. Not just only today, of course, every day. Kung ano man yung mga problema mo na kinikwento mo sa akin, wag mo na masyadong i-worry. Basta nandito lang ako for you. And you know that. And always remember na nandito lang ako for you. I love you, BFF. I miss you. Sana lagi kang okay and nag-iingat. Basta, I'm happy na nakilala kita. And, ba't parang ninenervyos ako? Sana na-surprise ka namin. Yan, we'll just chat again later. I love you, BFF. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.